Hello students, today I am going to explain history of class 10 chapter 3, the nationalism in India. And in this chapter topic is the limits of civil disobedience. It means that every section of society in India didn't take part in civil disobedience movement. Why? And one major group which didn't take part in this civil disobedience movement, that was Dalits. So why Dalit group of people didn't take part in civil disobedience movement? So now we have to explain this. So many Dalit leaders, they wanted political situation of the problem of untouchability. As you know, one problem was there in Indian society related to Dalits, that was untouchability. So they wanted to end this system, and for that they thought that only one solution of this problem is to give politically empowerment. Means they wanted to give political power to this community. So for starting, they demanded reserved seats in educational institutions, and also they demanded separate electorates in legislative councils. But Mahatma Gandhi was against of this system of separate electorates. In this time, one of the most important Dalit leader of India was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and he organized one group of Dalits known as Depressed Classes Association in 1930, and also he had some clashed. He also clashed with Mahatma Gandhi during second round table conference by demanding separate electorates for Dalits. However, British government wanted to fulfill the demands of B.R. Ambedkar, but Gandhiji was against of this. So he started a fast unto death, because Gandhiji thought that separate electorates for Dalits would slow down the process of nationalism in India, especially if Hindu society will divide. So that would be not good for India. Finally, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar accepted the demands or desire of Gandhiji, and this was resulted in Pune Pact of September 1932. This Pune Pact of September 1932 was signed between This agreement was signed between Gandhiji and B.R. Ambedkar, and according to this Pune Pact, some powers were given to Dalits. Now, according to this pact, depressed classes, now they were known as scheduled caste, and they got some reserved seats in provincial as well as central legislative councils, but they were voted into general electorates. Means the demand for separate electorates for Dalit, that was rejected. But after this, the demands of B.R. Ambedkar was accepted, that they would be given reservation in educational institution as well as political. Some seats were reserved for in the different constituencies in India. Thank you.